Hey everyone, Frugal Panda here. Let's do a quick review. This is a trip I took to Lake Pueblo. The main focus of this trip was to test two things: the towing of how well my Infiniti QX80 towed my Forest River pop-up camper, as well as a test of a Setpower RF25 12-volt refrigerator. It's a refrigerator freezer, 27 quart portable refrigerator, and it works with 12 volts and 24 volt DC. I always take everything to Lake Pueblo. That's where I sat it at. Just put it in the rear, one of my rear seats, fit in there perfectly. Plugged it into the 12 volt in the back by the cigarette lighter. It came with a 12 volt cigarette lighter, and it came with a regular wall socket plug in too, which I really like having that too. So if I want to take it out of here when I'm on a road trip, I can take and put it in my hotel room, because when I go on my trip to the West Coast, I'm actually going to take this. This is me stopping at the store somewhere in Pueblo, filling up with food that I'm going to use for the week: salad, fruits. Usually I plan to eat out, so I usually only get like breakfast stuff a lot of times, and sometimes some bratwurst, just in case there's a day I don't feel like it. This is going to be a 3-day trip, 2 days, 3 days, 2 nights. So everything I got fit in here, and some of the stuff I put in here I probably shouldn't have put. I didn't need to put in here, like M&Ms and stuff like that. I just did anyway because I'm testing it out. So this is going to be awesome when I take it on my 20-day or 2-week West Coast road trip, which is going to be, this refrigerator is coming with me, the Setpower, as well as the QX80. And the QX80 towed that little 35, or I think it was probably about 2,500, 3,000 pound my Forest River, like it wasn't even there. I didn't even notice it. There you go. That's what I have in there. I have more stuff than that. After I think I turn off the video, I would put more. I tested at 27. I like it under 30. Before we go on, I stopped at Pizza King. I've always been curious about these little hole in the wall. It's not necessarily a hole in the wall stores, but there's 2 sites. I want to test it out. Grab me a pizza there. The pizza is really good. I went to City Park and ate it, and it was awesome. Anyway, getting back to the refrigerator, I set it under 30, and I figured out, and by the time you're seeing this video, I've already tested it 3 different times at 3 different parks. I keep it under that. It kept my stuff cold, got really cold, no problem powering it. Stuck it in my camper at night, plugged in right into the wall, and put it in where the old refrigerator used to be, I used to use, which I don't really care for that much, so I pulled it, so I put this in there. I recommend the Setpower RF25. I have a discount code for their website, as well as Amazon links for the product on there as well. This is coming on my West Coast trip, so you will see it in videos when I take off to the West Coast. Anyway, everyone, thank you for watching. This is Frugal Panda. Have a good day. Bye.